The striking circle in field hockey is a semicircle with a radius of 15.2 yards. Find the area of the semicircle. Use 3.14 for pi, and we're going to round our answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, I don't know much about field hockey or striking circles, but I do know what a semicircle is. Semicircle means half a circle. So let's put that here. Semicircle is a half circle. Okay. So, if here's our circle, and we don't need this part down here, and let's say this is our striking circle. Okay, so we'll use the green half, and the radius is given in the problem. Remember, the radius is the distance from the center out to the circle, and the radius is given as 15.2 yards. Okay, now we want the area of the semicircle. Okay, so area, well, let's say area of a full circle is pi times the radius of the circle squared. So if we figure out the area of the entire circle, we could take that number and cut it in half, divide by 2 to give us this green area. Okay, so in this case, the area is, well, we'll use 3.14 for pi times the radius, 15.2, as the radius is squared, so 15.2 times another 15.2. Okay, so that'll give us the area of the full circle. So let's pull up our calculator. Okay, let's see if that'll turn on. And okay. So we've got 3.14, and we're multiplying this by 15.2 and then another 15.2. Okay, so that gives us 725.4656. But we need the green area, so that's the semicircle. Okay, so the green area should be half of the total area of the circle, so 1/2 times 725.4656. So multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2 either way, so we'll divide this by 2. Okay, so 362 point, well, let's use all the decimal points. 7328. Okay, and now the directions say round your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so let's actually bring this down, and we're rounding to the nearest tenth, so that means we're keeping one decimal place. Since the next decimal place, or the first place we're not keeping, is a 3, we round down, we don't round up, so final answer should be 362.7. 362.7, and its area, so square yards. Okay, so the area of the striking circle in this case is 362.7.